you'll go to storybird.com. Once there, we're going to choose Sign In. We're going to select the Google Sign In and sign in with our g.capellisd account. I have already created an account. It's important to note that when you first create an account, you'll want to select Educator. You can then select Create Class and set up an Educator class. Today, we're going to look at how to create storybooks. We'll choose Create to begin. Our first task is to select artwork. There are many different styles of artwork to select from. You can click on the artwork to see associated art with that artwork by the same artist or by similar artists. Once you're ready to use the artwork, you'll simply select the lightning bolt icon. You'll then be asked what type of book you will be creating. A long form book with multi-chapters, a picture book with multi-pages, or a single page book, a poem. I'm going to choose picture book. Now that I have my artwork, I can drag it to my page to begin. There are many different options. I can justify it on the right or left, or I can click the artwork to make it be a full page. Once I'm ready to begin typing, I just select the text box and begin writing my story. When I'm ready to add a new page, I'll select the Add Page button or the plus. I can then select my new artwork and begin typing my next page. When I'm done, I'll want to go back to the cover and select my cover style. There's 4 different cover styles: classic, landscape, journal, or iconic. I'm going to choose landscape. I can change out my art if I want to, or I can leave my first page art as the title page as well. Storybird will auto-populate my username as the author. However, if I try to change it, I can change it to my last name, my first name, or a nickname. It's very important to Storybird that full names are not used. Storybird also pulls colors from the image, so I can use any of the color options on my title page. Once I'm done, I'm going to select the back arrow to go see all my pages. Now that I'm done with my book, I'm going to choose Save and Exit. We're not quite finished yet, as we have to select our settings. I can choose My Story Isn't Finished Yet, and it only be visible to me. If I'm finished, I can decide how I'm going to publish it. Because I've set up an educator account and I'm working within my class, I only have the option to publish it privately to my class. If you set up your account as a non-educator, you can then publicly publish your work. I can also choose to publicly publish my work by choosing Not for School, and then I'm giving the public option. This option protects our kids when they're working in the class from not publicly publishing their work for everyone in the world to see. I can then write a brief summary and select Publish. Now that I've published, I have a few options. I can order a print, I can download my book, or I can share my book using the many sharing options. I can share via email by simply adding the recipient's email address. I can use the link and share the link. I can use the embed code and embed in any iframe acceptable website or LMS. And I can share on various social networks, including Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, and so on. I can also come back and change my settings if I decide I want to publish it to the world, and I can decide is it public or private. This is how to create a book in Storybird.